Hey, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands video. We're doing a tool test review today on what appears to be just another stapler. But this is not. This is not a stapler. This actually, if you look close here, uh, in this slot here, it's hard to see. Let's see if we can shine that on there. That slot right there, a small blade is going to come out. This little blade right here, this block here, and it's hard to see that too, but see those blades there? Those are for putting picture frame together. So you know how you see the little picture frame tabs and you wonder how they get them in? This is how they get them in. So we're going to review this tool. This is the inexpensive one off of Amazon. Use the Amazon links below to shop and help support the channel. We greatly appreciate it. Don't forget, like and subscribe too. But here's the real reality with this. It was inexpensive. It came with 2 boxes, so we have 2,000 blades that came with it. We are going to put in a small group of blades here with it right now, and we'll bring you in close and show you how that's done. But the reality here is with this tool, it's way easy compared to trying to do these by hand. So that's why we got this. My wife does a lot of framing, and let's show you what we've got. So what we did, we put this light on so you can see. Up on top here, there is a blade, a switch you can see here. You pull this back and you pull this up. All it does is release this. And this is how it holds the little pieces it pushes in. So if you look down in there, and it's hard to see way down in there, but way down in here, boy, I wish I could show that easier, but way down in here, there is a spot for these to drop in. So we drop them in there. And by the way, the hardest part of using this tool is loading these. Maybe I need to get a pliers to help load them, but so there they go. They're in there, and I don't know if you can see that real well, but maybe you can see through here. See them in there. See that in there? You can see them sticking up right there in the screen. You can see them sticking up. So I guess if you held it this way, vertically, you could load more of these. I'm just going to leave those in there. So now there's a handful in there, and we're going to go show how it goes in the picture frame. So to put the picture frame in, make sure you've got everything on the other side the way you want it. All right. And then this goes into here. You just push it against the edge like this and bring this trigger up, push it. And you come along and you do that. So you can see I put 2 in right there. It runs them down on a nice angle. Come over here, we can do 2 more. And turn it the other way. If it's not putting them in far enough, you can see those how those are in there. And that's done. That's beautiful. And we now have it nice and in front. Now, if you want them to go in more, in the back of this tool, there's an adjustment here. If you turn this in, the smaller this gap is, the farther they drive in. The bigger the gap is, the less they drive in. So when you look at the back of your picture frame, if this is what you want, perfect. If not, you can adjust this tool to bring them in and out more or less. So it was easy to load. It's easy to use. It doesn't take much to push this. You'd never want your hand in front of this part here because, boy, that's going to drive it right into your skin. But it looks like it's a good tool, and it was very inexpensive. We will put the link to Amazon down below. So thanks for watching My Two Good Hands. Good to see you back here. And here is another tool test that we just did. You go back, you can watch it again. It's easy. Does not take much force to pull. Again, this adjusts the depth. In puts it out farther, and back leaves it in or out less, or however you want to look at that. It'll make it longer. So easy to use. It does drive it on a little bit of an angle, so it's perfect for your pictures. You'll be framing like crazy, and it's amazing how fast this goes. There are more expensive ones out there with some angular adjustments and what have you. I'll add a link to that down below too. But thanks for watching. Don't forget, give us a like, subscribe, use Amazon links to shop, even if you buy something else. Anything you do on Amazon does help support this channel. We greatly appreciate everybody that does that. So thank you very much, and we'll catch you in the next tool video.